Welcome friends, today we are going to start a new lecture series on theory of computation, and in this lecture we will introduce what is theory of computation and how it is used and what application areas it is used, so that we will discuss today. So basically theory of computation is a branch of computer science that deals with problems and algorithms related to that problems and how they can be solved using algorithms, how any problem can be solved using algorithm, and how efficiently it can be solved with that algorithm. So that kind of study we are doing. So we are dealing with the theory of computation, and basically theory of computation has four different sub areas. So that I have listed here. First is automata theory. See, let me clear one thing. In any university syllabus, in most of the Indian university or foreign universities, take some topics from these different four areas, and mostly they cover automata theory part, and then some more topics from formal languages, and one or two topics from computability theory, and one or two topics from complexity theory. So most of the university syllabus for theory of computation covers all these four areas, but and the main major part is from automata theory and formal languages. So only one or two topics from these areas are there, so that we will discuss. So I will introduce how what these different areas are and how they relate to theory of computation. So first it is automata theory. So automata theory is a major component of theory of computation, syllabus of theory of computation for any Indian university or mostly in foreign universities also. And it deals with the study of mathematical model and algorithms related to these models. And formal languages, it is see, this is one of the important area of theory of computation, and here we deal with languages, different types of languages. By Chomsky, one mathematician, has defined four different types of languages. So these languages are defined under formal languages category, and in this area, in this category, we study these type of languages. And computability theory, in computability theory, we deal with the problems or we identify some problems whether that can be solved with computer or not. So see, so many problems are there that cannot be solved with the computer, or you can say any algorithm cannot be designed for such problems. So computability theory mainly deals with the study of problems that can be solved with computer or the problems that cannot be solved with computers. And last and important, complexity theory. So in complexity theory, we deal with the study of problems that comes from the different categories like P problems, then NP problems, NP hard problems, NP complete problems. These kind of problems are discussed in this complexity theory. So these are the different areas of theory of computation, and these are the different categories. Where we study theory of computation. So majorly in this lecture series also, we will majorly discuss the automata theory and most of the part of formal languages, right? So we will also cover some topics from these two areas that we will I will tell you when we discuss. So these are the different area of theory of computation. Now, if we talk about applications of theory of computation, then these seven areas are main application area of TOC, and you can see here compiler design, artificial intelligence, software development, natural language processing, cryptography, and web search engines, and bioinformatics. How these different areas are using theory of computation. So in compiler design, we use automata, different types of automata for lexical analyzer, creating a lexical analyzer and parsers. In artificial intelligence, we use TOC for creating intelligent agents using these automatas again. And in software development, we use automata and related algorithms there to design some software and to analyze their performance during development. And then natural language processing make use of formal languages theory, where we use linear bounded automata to make design computing algorithm that can understand human languages. Then cryptography, we using cryptography, we ensure secure transfer of data from one place to another. And in web search engines, we use again automata to create searching there and to rank different pages in websites. So these are and one more information. Sorry, bioinformatics application area is there, where we use automata and sequence analysis for DNA, and along with this, we also use pattern matching there in bioinformatics. So these kind of all these application areas are there for theory of computation. And so in this lecture series, we will study some topics from automata theory. These are finite automata, or you can say finite state machines. So in short, we can write there FA for finite automata, or you can say finite state machine. So we can say FSM, right? And there are different variants of these finite automata like DFA and NFA, and some finite automata are with outputs. Some finite automata are without output. Without output means only binary output is available. Then we will also study push down automata, which you can call as PDA. Then we will discuss Turing machines also, that you can call as TM, Turing machines. So all these topics we will cover from automata theory part. And then from formal languages theory part, we will cover types of languages and grammars, related grammars, like there are different types of languages. So we will discuss each type of language and their related grammar. Then we will also discuss mathematical models to recognize all these languages. So from computability theory, we will take problems that computer can solve, and we will also discuss some problems that computer cannot solve. From we will take some part of complexity theory also. So in this part, we will discuss type of problems like P and NP problems, and then in the again subcategories of NP problems as NP hard and NP complete problems and their examples. In that particular lecture series, we will discuss all these topics, and we will cover. So I hope this introduction is sufficient, and in this video, I will wind up this video now, and in next video we will start with automata theory. We will start with automata theory. Thank you so much.